Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you ArmoGear. This is their mini battle blasters. Now the great thing is these guns work with their different types of laser tag games. ArmoGear is very popular for having items that are able to be used with different sets that they have. So a lot of companies won't do that. A lot of companies will sell a set of items that only work for a specific thing, while ArmoGear is focused on the people. They actually make items that work with their other games. So this is an addition for their laser tag game, so you guys can have more guns, more people. So it's very simple. You'll unscrew this to put batteries in. Each gun takes 3 AAA batteries. So once you go ahead and you have them in, go ahead and re-screw it back in. Now you can turn it on. That's how you reload, by going like that. It vibrates.
Receiver on.
Make sure you turn the receiver on. All right, you're now out.
Red.
You can change your team color by pressing this.
Green. Orange. Blue.
Press and hold to turn it off, and make sure you turn the receiver off. So each gun, you can pick multiple colors for each gun. So just because it's green doesn't mean you have to be on the green team. Overall, this works great for all their Edition laser tag games and kits.